On this video, we're going to talk about what do you need to bring to the car dealership to be more prepared. Those essential documents that you need to bring. Driver's license, valid, not expired, or your ID. Remember, you can buy a car with a state ID. You just have to be able to insure the car. Now, be prepared to have auto insurance if you don't already have it, or be prepared to make a phone call or ask your salesperson, who do you deal with for insurance? Now, this is important. Make sure that you have 2 current pay stubs for proof of income or bank statements. Or if you don't have your bank statements, then make sure you have your pay stubs. Now, for customers that are on Social Security, have your award letter, a current award letter. The worst thing you can do is come to the dealership with an award letter from 2 years ago or 3 years ago or even a year ago. Remember, it has to be a current one. A lot of people don't know you can get your current Social Security or your Social Security statement or award letter online, or bring a copy of your bank statement showing it going into your account. Now, the next one is very crucial. When you're looking to buy a car, salespeople want to know, are you working with your down payment, your cash right now? Not what's available 30 days from now, 60 days from now, 90 days from now, but we want to know, what do you have right now? The cash that you're working with right now. We would like it in cash or a cashier's check made out to whatever dealership you are going to be buying a car or leasing a car from, or your debit or your credit card. But this is a key question to ask now that people are using debit cards, and some dealerships are charging surcharges for debit cards. Is there a fee for using my debit card, or should I just bring cash or cashier's check so I don't have to pay a fee? That's very important. Next, you want to think about knowing what's on your credit report. A lot of people come in, they forgot they got a repossession last year, last month, or last week. Know what's on your credit report. If you're looking to trade in your vehicle, bring those right documents. The title to your trade, your registration, if you're trading in an old vehicle. Now, have no fear, if you don't have your title, the dealership can get a copy of your title. Consider this before you come in the dealership. Remember, call ahead, make an appointment. Don't just pop in when it comes to buying a dealership. When it comes to buying a car. Now, if you have bad credit, have your co-signer in the wing if you have one. In the wing means, can they come with you on the day when you go to the dealership? Or are they just a phone call away? And that they can do a credit application online, if possible. This will save time and money when it comes to going to the dealership to purchase a car. Now, this is very important because I have a lot of people say to me, I don't want you to send into 5 or 6 different banks or 7 different banks. So this is what you do. Listen closely. Limit your loan application to a short time frame, about 2 weeks. It's because this will maximize your credit score impact. And then the next one, research dealerships that have good reputations for working with buyers with bad credit. Ask a friend, ask a neighbor, ask a relative. You know, the old saying is sometimes people with bad credit sometimes flock together, which means that if the mother had bad credit and the mother didn't teach the child, then more than likely sometimes they'll have bad credit, or they may have someone else that's not related to them or it's in the family that taught them how to pay their bills. That's the old saying, birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Am I saying that right? If I'm not saying that right and you watch this video, correct me in the bottom of this video. But if you get to the end of this video, do me a favor, subscribe. Now, the other advice that I want to give you is know your budget. You can figure out how much car payment you can afford, the cost of your insurance. Now, if you're looking to get a certain car, you can always call your insurance agent, grab a VIN number from the dealership's website, and get a cost on what your insurance may be on that particular vehicle. So listen, you need to factor in your budget, car payment, insurance, and maintenance costs. Now, I always tell customers, if you're buying a vehicle, then you need to have you a maintenance account. Maintenance account is for those accidents that may happen. Accidents is, maybe you get a flat tire and you don't have tire and wheel on your car. Or maybe you get in an accident and you have a deductible, Or if you need to get your brakes, fixed on your car. That's what I call having a maintenance account. Things that happen out of your control to get your car fixed if you have that maintenance account. Now, also is be ready to negotiate unnecessary add-ons and extra features. Know what you are purchasing or leasing when it comes to add-ons. Now, add-ons is a warranty, tire wheel. On every vehicle I get, I do get tire and wheel because the dealership where I work at, we work on the dealership's located on a bumpy road. So I want to protect my asset, which is my vehicle. Now, we are moving to a state-of-the-art dealership in about a year and a half. That's going to be on Telegraph, where we're not going to have that problem. And then maybe I won't be thinking about tire and wheel. Lastly, you want to just make sure you read your loan documents carefully before signing. Ask questions. If you don't understand, at the time of signing is when you should be asking those questions to that particular finance manager.